The World Technology Center is an infrastructure initiative designed to position Chicago as a leading global campus for science, technology, and innovation.
これ以上君とはいられないあなたはつぶやくの言わないで今はまだこのまま I love you stay by me 何もかも知ってはいたけれどお願い stay by me そばにいて夜が明けるまで
With over 1 million square meters of flexible, mixed-use space, the complex is designed to accommodate research institutions and laboratories, startups and scale-ups, established global technology and space firms, educational and training facilities, public engagement and exhibition spaces, workshop space for government agencies to collaborate directly with all of the above, and residential space.